Hello everyone, this is Ibrahim here at the African. Today I want to tackle a very sensitive topic for fintechs and microfinance institutions because often they go to the internet to try to get a core banking solution and they end up running Fineract. Some of them ask me, Ibra, my Mifos is not running, my Fineract is not running. What is the core difference between the two? Today, I want us to understand the difference between the two such that we can get to best know what do we know, what do we want where. A quick introduction. Mifos and Fineract are open source platforms for financial services. The Mifos community and the Apache Foundation maintain both platforms. Of course, Mifos and Fineract are closely related but serve different roles, and understanding their difference helps to select the right solution for you. They offer feature set for microfinance, circles, money lenders, and fintech. What is Fineract? Fineract is an API-first design with no built user interface. It offers a core backend engine for financial services and it's built in Java. It provides APIs for core financial services out of the box. That includes loan management, savings, shares and deposits, client KYC management, and integrated accounting. It's mainly ideal for developers and fintechs trying to build custom solutions. That includes people who want to build their own products and that have their own user interface. I've seen people who built their own UI using Python and other front-end frameworks like React, Angular, and whatever framework you want to use, you can really literally leverage Fineract as your core backend. And then what is Mifos? Mifos is a reference front-end built in TypeScript on top of Fineract. For those who want an all-in-one solution, it means that you need Mifos to run on top of Fineract such that you get an end-to-end core banking solutions. Of course, it provides a user interface for financial institution staff to use the Fineract APIs, and it includes reporting tools like Pentahole for both for portfolio and financial analysis. It offers a front-end function. It offers mainly front-end functionality, that is the web and the staff mobile apps, with the self-service apps, that is mobile and web as well. Of course, we have wallets. We have a number of things that we leverage. Now, it is Mifos that offers the UI validations. It offers the ability for someone to use the system, for someone to use Fineract without literally interacting with the APIs directly. So, how do the two work together? Mifos consumes Fineract APIs, and Fineract provides the backend functionality. That includes integrations with external services and the database, and of course the file, everything that rotates around the backend when it comes to scaling. It's mainly the back side of Mifos. So Mifos provides the user interface and financial management tools. These are now the reports, these are the inputs and all that. Of course, both need each other or a complete solution for microfinance if you were to get this out of the box. The key difference is Mifos is the banking platform UI and Fineract is the banking backend. Of course, Mifos has the user interface and Fineract does not have a user interface. When you're customizing Mifos, it's quite moderate, and Fineract, you just consume its APIs, so you can literally do whatever you want with the APIs you've consumed. The deployment, of course, Mifos is faster, ready to use. You don't need to build your own UI. It just requires you to know how to deploy it and you're good to go. Yet Fineract requires you to integrate it with your own user interface or to leverage it into your own other external application. Of course, the targeted users for Mifos are the microfinance, MFIs, banks, and cooperatives, and the Fineract users are mainly the developers and fintech builders. I hope that tries to drive engagement on which to use. Kindly drop a question or a thumbs up if you like this, or um, a question in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer them. And please drop, in case you need any other video, just drop um, your comment below. I'll be able to make a video around that. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.